Starting at the front of the exhaust system, you'll see that the factory diameter was increased to a dual 3-inch. This is in a stainless steel mandrel bent tube that carries throughout the entire system, starting with the X pipe to the very first breakpoint. At this breakpoint is where the system has our very first option for configuring sound. If you're looking for that deep signature MagnaFlow tone, but still want to have good street manners, the muffler modules contain a 5-inch body, 3-inch core, straight-through design muffler. Just behind the muffler module is the next xMOD feature. In previous generations of exhaust systems for this platform, the stock valves oftentimes were required to be cut out of the factory system and replaced back into the new aftermarket system. For xMOD, the design team engineered 3-inch valves to replace the factory valves. These valves do reuse the factory actuator, which means there's 100% compatibility, and you no longer have to cut and insert a part from the original exhaust system. If that deep MagnaFlow rumble just isn't enough and you want that race car kind of pop and cackle, we do offer our xTreme Delete, which is a straight pipe that replaces the muffler assembly.